I am coming for you again! Ah! Too many little men on this team! You are dead! Not big surprise.
Shall I carry us to victory? I don't mind.
Well, this was a disappointment. Good Lord, you fight like a woman!
The Daleks need information about current Earth history. Speech is not necessary. We will extract brainwaves. Neither did we need him alive.
They have shut down your cities, but they didn't shut down your villain. Give it up, boy. Your precious little friends have forsaken you. Big words for a little monkey.
Do you remember my face? With contorted flesh and broken bones. I made myself known. I cradled him in my arms. My sweet boy. I took him away. When you stare into the mirror, you see the same monsters from your bedroom.